Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a star in AutoCAD. So let's begin. First of all, I'm taking a new page, switch up grid mode. I'm taking polygon by 5 side, enter, click on here. I'm taking 20 radius for this polygon, enter, and I'm taking polygon again by 5 side and specify the center of this polygon. And I'm taking this polygon by 10 radius. These two polygons are in the same direction, so I'm taking this polygon in the opposite, so rotate. I'm rotating it in 180 degree, enter. Now take line, select line, click on here and here and here and here, here, join this all the point here, 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 and here, enter, and delete this two polygon. Now here is our star. Our star is ready.